Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have my Boxycharm by Ipsy for January 2024. I was afraid I was going to say December. Still not over whatever I've had the whole month of December. It's driving me crazy. But here we have for January 2025. See, I said 2024, didn't I? It's January 2025. Start the year with a clean slate. And then just, you know, we were getting the pamphlet. Now we're getting a little card, which is fine. I don't remember. I kind of remember some things I might have picked. But let's just see what's in my box. From Pure Lease, Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. I don't think I have this. I know I don't have one that's the strawberry tinted moisturizer. Let's see. Here's the packaging. Really nice. Let's just, has a seal. I'm going to leave it sealed. I don't think I have. Where are my, not there, not there. It's on the bottom. I'm just looking at, that's a powder. I'm trying to look at, sorry for my back thing. I'm trying to think if I have this. My moisturizers. I do not, so I'm excited to try this. Moisturize and nourishes, light coverage and a subtle glow, and I have light medium, so that might be fine. I'll have to give that a shot. Maybe I'll try that tomorrow. Not really doing much tomorrow, so tomorrow, which will be Sunday, today is Saturday. You will see this on Sunday. Here, and this is from the brand Noto. And I did get this in PR Deep Serum Face and Neck Serum. I think I shared the other one, or will be sharing the other one, just because I figured I have so much that I just didn't think I would get to it. Let me see if I can get this open without destroying the box. I'll show you what the packaging looks like right here. So this is a deep serum. Multi-use natural, universally sexy. I don't know if it's moisturizes. Let me just read the box. Keep out of the light. Made in the USA. Noto Botanicals is the name of the company. So I might keep this one because I was going to share the other one. So here I'm going to show you. This I think was the Beauty Boost, and this is the Tarte palette, the Man Eater palette. I do have this. I'm not about to look for it because my palette drawer is a disaster. That is going to be the next thing that I declutter, which I will film probably, if I can get to it Sunday, which is tomorrow, I will. If not, I'll film it like Monday or Tuesday next week. I'm going to share a lot of the stuff or declutter. But this is the palette. It's beautiful. Like, this is textured. And I do have this. So I'm going to, and I let it be the Beauty Boost because I figured somebody else can really enjoy this. This is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm going to cover the mirror. This is a stunning palette from Tarte. And their products are phenomenal. So I'm going to include this in a future giveaway. The mirror says Man Eater. The little shield says Man Eater. This is a stunning palette. So I have one. I don't need two. But I figured this was a perfect for the $15 extra for the Beauty Boost. I think after like tax and stuff like that, I pay $16.20 maybe for the Beauty Boost. Well, the Man Eater palette is worth way more than that. So I'm happy to share this with someone for sure. I love to give back. And this I received in my PR from Wander Beauty, the In Neutral eyeshadow palette. Let me see. I have no idea. I have, yeah. I was going to see. Here's the one that came in this box. Here's the one that I got in PR. So I'll show you this one because this one's open. That has a seal on it, so I'm going to leave it sealed. And this is a stunning palette. This is an all-neutral palette, as it says, in neutrals. I have not tried it yet. This is beautiful. If you love neutrals, or even if you prefer a neutral palette, but maybe some pops of color. But this is a nice one. So I'm going to, like I said, mine was easy to grab because it was right on top. I have so many palettes, and I can see my man-eater palette from here. Next in here is from MAC, Locked Kiss 24-hour lipstick. Right here's the package, and I have, can I even read that? I don't think so. Meticulous. So let's see what this looks like. I'm excited. I don't think I have any MACs like this. So it's a beautiful tube, MAC. It does say MAC on it. Oh, that's pretty. There's the shade right there. Do I want to swatch? Yes. Oh, that's really pretty. That's a definitely now color. I don't care. I wear them all year round. Doesn't matter if it's, you know, I'm not going to, this is just a winter shade. No, I'm going to wear this all the time. So that's really pretty. Nice, really nice packaging. And then the last thing is from Dominique Cosmetics, Brow Blowout Shaping Gel. And this probably is clear. Yes, it says clear. Here's the box. Let me show you the actual product. I think that's it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then, so here's the tube. I love everything that I have from Dominique Cosmetics, so this is not going to be any different. Nice brow gel. So I'm excited to give this a try. I don't think I have this, but the next thing on my list after palettes is going to be brows, mascara. Like I'll try to combine maybe, I think, lip liners, brow, because there's line, you know, like eyeliners, lip line. No, I think I'll do those separately. So it's going to be probably brows and mascara, palettes, brows, mascara. Then I might do the combination of liners, lip and eyeliners. I'm not going to declutter skincare because I really want to go through that. I know a few things are old, so I'll get rid of them. But palettes is going to take me a while. That might, because there's a lot of palettes. And that's my Boxycharm. So I have a good brow product from Dominique, the MAC lipstick, the Wander Beauty palette, which is stunning, the Man-Eater palette, which is beautiful, beautiful, and then this neck and face serum, which I'm always happy to give a shot now that I have my own. I'll share one and give one, and then I'm excited to try the tinted moisturizer. Good box. Anything in there like pique your interest, or are you getting in your box? Let me know in the comments down below. And I might save those 2 palettes and do like maybe next week. So watch all the videos next week, and I might pop in a little giveaway inside a video. You'll never know. So thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see you all next week for more videos. Bye for now.